Today's recipe: apricot chutney. Let's start. Ginger paste 1 tablespoon. Sultanas ½ cup. Salt 1 teaspoon. Ghee 1 cup. 2 cup soaked dry apricot. Garam masala powder 1 teaspoon. 2 cup water. White vinegar 1 cup. Add 2 cup of water. Add 2 cup apricot. Ghee 1 cup. 1 tablespoon ginger paste. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. White vinegar 1 cup. Add ½ cup sultanas. And cook until bring it to boil. Cover and cook on low flame for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, blend well. When the sauce thickens, take it out and let it cool. Apricot sauce is ready. Storage into weeks in fridge. If you like my recipe, please subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching this video.